Are you always rushing to make dinner and looking for something that's easy and delicious to whip up? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm sharing 3 super easy recipes that are perfect for those hectic weeknights. A steamed egg with minced pork, savory egg and tomato stir fry, and a hearty egg drop soup. Even if you are a kitchen newbie, these dishes will satisfy everybody's taste buds. So, let's get cracking into some exciting meals that will have your family asking for seconds. Let's start with the steamed egg with minced pork. For this, you will need eggs, water, salt. For the meat sauce, we will need minced pork. You can also use chicken or beef as well. Garlic sliced, corn flour, green onions that's been separated into its white and green parts. Let's first prepare the eggs. Crack 4 eggs into a measuring cup. Then look at how much you've got. I've got here 200 ml. Now, you would want to add 1.5 times the amount of water. That would be 300 ml of water. Add in some salt. Then beat or whisk the egg really well till all the egg whites are no longer visible. After beating the eggs, there will be bubbles on the surface. Remove these bubbles. Grab a dish that can hold the amount of eggs. Do not use a bowl that's too deep. Otherwise, the egg mixture will be too thick and you will not cook evenly. Pour the eggs through a fine sieve. Then remove any bubbles. You do not want any bubbles on the surface of the egg. That's because it will result in a honeycomb pattern on the surface after steaming. Mine looks okay here. Cling wrap the plate. This will prevent any condensation from the steam getting onto the egg. Steam the egg over a medium heat for 10 minutes. After steaming, you should get a very smooth and glossy surface. Now, for the meat sauce. In a bowl of water, add oyster sauce, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, sugar, white pepper, corn flour. Give all this a very good mix till the corn flour dissolves. Then, set it aside. To cook, put your pan over a medium heat. Add in some oil. When the oil is hot, add in the minced pork, or beef or chicken if you're using. Break up the meat as you fry it. Fry the meat till it's no longer pink. Then add in the garlic and the white parts of the spring onions. Fry this for about a minute till fragrant. Pour in the seasoning. When the sauce has thickened, drizzle some sesame oil around the sides of the pan. Turn off the heat. Then, stir in the green parts of the green onions. Taste and adjust for seasoning. To serve, pour the meat sauce over the egg. Next, let's do the egg and tomato stir fry. For this, you'll need eggs, tomatoes that's been cut into wedges, water, ketchup, corn flour. In a bowl, add water to the corn flour to make a corn flour slurry. Stir it well till all the corn flour dissolves. Then set it aside. Crack your eggs into a bowl. Then add in light soy sauce and the corn flour slurry. Beat the eggs till there are no visible strands of egg white. The cornstarch here will slow down the coagulation of the egg proteins. This means that the egg will not seize up and get rubbery so easily. They will stay soft, smooth, and custardy. Think of it as velveting the eggs, just like how Chinese chefs velvet meat. To cook, it is best to use a non-stick pan. Put your pan over a medium heat, then add in some oil. When the oil is hot, add in your eggs. Push the eggs around so that the cooked bottom will come to the top and the uncooked eggs from the top will go down to the bottom. When the eggs are about 3/4 cooked and still runny, remove them. There's no need to wash the pan. Put your pan back over a medium-high heat. Then add in the tomatoes and water. Bring the water to a boil and let it cook till the tomatoes soften. If it gets too dry and the tomatoes have not cooked down enough, just add in more water. You can let the tomatoes cook down till they are very soft, or you can leave them firm. It's up to you. When the tomatoes texture is the way you like it to be, add in your seasoning. That's oyster sauce, light soy sauce, sugar, ketchup, white pepper, and an optional pinch of MSG. Give this a good stir and cook it till the sauce has slightly thickened. This should take about a minute or so. Next, add in the scrambled eggs. Break the eggs up into large chunks, about the size of the tomatoes. Turn off the heat, then add in some sesame oil and the green parts of the green onions. Taste and adjust for seasoning. Let's make the egg drop soup. For this, we'll need chicken stock, green onions separated into its white and green parts, silken tofu cut into cubes, corn flour, eggs. We'll start by adding the chicken stock into a pot. Add in the silken tofu and the white parts of the green onions. Bring the chicken stock to a boil. Meanwhile, let's prepare the cornstarch slurry and the eggs. Mix together corn flour and water. Stir the corn flour till it all dissolves. Then set it aside. Crack your eggs into a container, preferably a container with a spout for a more controlled pour. Add some water into the cracked eggs. This water will thin out the egg mixture and help it spread out into silky ribbons in the soup. Beat the eggs till no strands of egg whites are visible. When the chicken stock is boiling, turn down the heat to medium. Give the cornstarch slurry a good mix, as the corn flour may have settled to the bottom of the bowl by now. Slowly, and I mean slowly, pour the cornstarch slurry into the pot while stirring. If you pour too quickly, you will end up with a lumpy soup. The soup should thicken up as you stir. Next, similar to the cornstarch slurry, slowly pour the eggs into the soup while stirring. Okay, timing is important here. Do not stir too quickly or you will end up with a pot of yellow soup. Stir too slowly and you'll end up with lumps of egg. It takes a bit of experimenting here, but it's not too difficult. Just give it a try. Give the eggs mixture a couple of seconds to form into ribbons as you stir. Once the ribbons are formed, turn off the heat to prevent overcooking. Add in salt, light soy sauce, white pepper, toasted sesame oil, and the green parts of the green onions. The soy sauce will turn the soup into a darker color. If you prefer a clear soup, do not use the soy sauce. Use more salt instead. Taste and adjust for seasoning. And there you have it. 3 easy egg recipes that are perfect for those busy weeknights. I hope these dishes will bring some ease and joy into your dinner routine. If you enjoy these dishes, why not stick around and explore more of my videos? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.